And good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 9:42 a.m. Central Standard Time, January 19th. We're going to do an air quality update. This is what we're looking at here in Alberta, Canada. We got 6628 for nitrous dioxide. We're going to start with nitrous dioxide. Over here near the Toronto area, we're looking at 33.6. Let's check a little bit more in the United States. San Jose is looking at 43.8, Los Angeles 51.99, Salt Lake City 56.36, Mexico City is looking at 64.48. This is saying Atlanta, Georgia is 23.37, but Atlanta's not up here. That's weird. Anyways, New York is 40.63 for New York City. South America, Rio de Janeiro is actually the highest point. They're claiming 14.56, but it's actually 30.61. In all of Southern Africa, the highest point we're looking at is 34.12, and that's just east of Pretoria. And here in Northern Africa, Morocco, we received just barely to 5, so that's pretty decent. Algiers is actually looking at 31.71, not 24.04. And it looks like over here in Tripoli, you're at 17.11. And for our folks down under, it looks like Perth is looking at 13.09. Everywhere else we seem to have relatively low numbers, so good for you, Australia, for your nitrous dioxide levels, doing good. And we're looking at Milan, Italy. Looks like the loser for the majority of Europe here in this major area, looking at 83.88. Amsterdam's reading 23. Paris is reading 19. Well, let's see what's just barely east of it. Oh, 27. So you're a liar, Paris. Sorry. Looking up into the 30s, actually. So Amsterdam, I'd say you're in the 30s. Let's actually come over here and check out Moscow. They're reading 64.78. Come on now. Now give it to me, dang it. 92.42. Yeah, buddy. Not 65. Ooh, 96. Hey, yippee-ki-yay. Almost off the charts. Good job, Moscow. Overachievers. There's another little place up here. A patty. Looks like a patty, it looks like. Sorry, it's really small on my computer for some reason. 44. Those are some high numbers. Actually got some pretty high numbers. Here we are in Kazakhstan at Pavlodar is 73.24. We got 42.31 over here. Orsk is 43.81. Keep on coming to the east. If you know anybody in these regions, by all means, ooh, that's not good. Hit pause and take a look. Or you can come to windy.com and take a peek for yourself. Just kind of come over here, hit air quality, and come down to nitrous dioxide and tap on it. 51.95 there. Let's start going down the coastline. Oh boy, look at China. Tokyo's at 73.48. Lao Lang is 84 or 85 rather. Now let's see what it really is. 107. Their numbers are always way obscure, way off. Wuhan's reading 115. I'll bet it's higher than that. 132. Goodness, that is so nasty to even just look at. Oh, Hong Kong says 61. Yeah. 103. Hanoi, 92.33. I would actually probably believe that one. Holy crap, you guys, look at Bangkok, 125. Oh, that's not good. Whoa, do you guys see New Delhi? Look at New Delhi. Why does that keep changing so quickly? I don't understand that. Whoa. So let's just, I can't remember the name of this area here, but either way, 118. 98 in Allahabad, New Delhi, 148, Lahore. Look at terrain, 184. This is the all-time loser of the day. Come on, give me a reading. Make that 213. Not just off the charts, but more than double off the charts. Oh man. I don't even want to see if I don't even want to search for a higher one. 115, 117, 220. Oh my gosh, that's not good. Being poisoned, literally to death. For PM 2.5, here in the Salt Lake area, we're looking at 27 meters cubed. Both these areas here in Canada we're both at 27, but let's see what our numbers are when we zoom in just a little bit here in the United States. See if we can get a little bit better numbers for you. There we are, relatively low in the United States for PM 2.5. That's good. With the exception of Salt Lake, you're not doing so good. Mexico City, you're looking at 35. Monterrey is looking at 22. And down here in Sao Paulo, we're looking at 34. Rio de Janeiro is looking, they say 48, but it's actually 78. I'm not sure what this region is here, but it looks a little concentrated there. 56 in this region. This is PM 2.5, folks. This is not friendly or good stuff. Not sure the name of this area or what city is near it, but for those of you who might know this area a little bit, there you go. That way you can kind of give a little heads up. And in Perth, we have 88 meters cubed of PM 2.5. These are not good numbers, folks, whatsoever. Birdsville is looking at 35. Careful down in Perth there, Australia there. Those are not good numbers, folks. And here in northern Chad of Africa, we're looking at 115 meters cubed of PM 2.5. And it looks like, and in northeastern Mali, Africa, we are looking at around 80. Ooh, not good numbers. They're going up. And once again in Milan, is up here in the European area, is at 56 meters cubed. So that's definitely not good, folks. Moscow is looking at numbers of 22. Here near Mosul in Saudi Arabia, we're looking at 159. Lahore is reporting 161. But it's actually 199. New Delhi is reporting 199. Ooh, let's see what that number is. Oh, 213. Now this is PM 2.5, folks. One of the worst toxins for you to possibly be exposed to. There are no safe levels of this, by the way. It's just time of exposure. Oh, this is not good whatsoever. Looks like Wuhan is reporting 174. Well, let's see about that. 232. Folks, this is not good. These people, if you know anyone in these areas, or if you happen to be, you're being poisoned, FYI. Please be careful. Please take precautions. Try to do what you can to make sure you're breathing clean air. Let's go check out our ozone layer. Well, looking at our ozone for your northern states and northern country of Canada, yeah, it's not looking good. Near Minot, we're looking at 410, but then once you get up here near Slate Falls, you're at 493, Thompson 472. It's off the charts, folks. 400 is as high as it goes, and we're not doing good whatsoever. So hit pause and see in your area. And this is what we're looking like for Europe, including England, all the way over to Turkey and Georgia. Looking at northern Japan. And we're also looking at Russia and China. So, yeah, these regions here are also pretty high. And then as we get in up over this area, we're also looking at Alaska. Oh, bloody hell. North of this river right here, north of, was it Tantana? So now I gotta zoom in on this. I can't even read it anymore. Yeah, Tanana. Anything north of Tanana, no matter which direction you go, is not good. So stay safe out there, folks. Remember, love is the only way forward.